Avoid the whirlpool, navigating challenges in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase: avoid the whirlpool. This expression is not just about steering clear of water hazards. It's a rich metaphor for navigating through life's challenges. Let's unpack its meaning together and learn how to use it effectively in our conversations and writings. Avoid the whirlpool literally refers to steering clear of a powerful, swirling body of water that can suck in objects, or even ships, nearby. However, metaphorically, this phrase is used to advise someone to stay away from situations or behaviors that could lead to trouble or complications. It's about recognizing potential dangers or distractions that could derail one's progress or cause harm. In life, whirlpools represent the challenges, temptations, or conflicts that can consume our time, energy, or resources, potentially leading to negative outcomes. By advising to avoid the whirlpool, the speaker is suggesting caution and foresight to prevent getting caught in harmful or unproductive situations. This phrase emphasizes the importance of being aware of our surroundings and making decisions that lead to safety and success. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal advice to professional guidance. For example, in a personal context, when you're in a toxic relationship, it's best to avoid the whirlpool and move on for your well-being. In a professional context, this project has a lot of potential pitfalls. We need to avoid the whirlpool of scope creep to meet our deadlines. Understanding and using such metaphors can enhance your English communication skills, making your speech more vivid and relatable. Avoid the whirlpool is more than just a cautionary saying. It's a reminder of the constant vigilance needed to navigate life's complexities. We hope this exploration helps you understand and appreciate the depth of English language expressions. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember to steer clear of those whirlpools in your journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.